Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that confuses so many skincare lovers. The difference between morning and night skincare routine. Is it just about the time of the day? Or do the products we use actually matters? Spoiler alert, it matters a lot. So let us break it down step by step and find out which ingredients we should use when and why. Before we dive into the skincare tips and routines, please hit the subscribe icon if you also love skincare like me. A little love and support is appreciated as it keeps me motivated to continue creating such content for you all. With that being said, let us get started. Start with the morning skincare routine. We will talk about its purpose and we will focus on some key ingredients. Our morning skincare routine is all about protection and preparation. During the day, our skin faces a lot of environmental stressors like the UV rays, pollution, blue light and free radicals, all of which can lead to premature aging, dullness and skin damage. So our morning skincare routine should focus on cleansing, hydrating and protecting. Now let us talk about some key ingredients. We will start with one of the most important and nowadays one of the most trending and nourishing ingredient for our skin, vitamin C. This is our glow booster. Vitamin C brightens the skin, evens out skin tone and most importantly fights free radical. Pairing it with a good sunscreen makes our UV protection even more stronger. The next ingredient is niacinamide, a multitasking hero that reduces skin redness, minimizes pores and controls oil production. It also strengthens skin barrier, which is great before starting the day. Next is hyaluronic acid, which is a hydration magnet. It helps retain moisture and plumps up our skin. It is great and must be used under makeup and sunscreen. Now let us talk about the last step for our morning skincare routine. Sunscreen with minimum of SPF 30. This is a non-negotiable step as UV exposure causes almost 90% of visible aging. So please choose a sunscreen that suits you and your skin type. Use a gel-based sunscreen for oily skin type and a cream-based sunscreen for dry skin. And guys, if you want to see a sunscreen haul and need some genuine and honest reviews on sunscreens along with some skincare tips in regards to which sunscreen is best for which skin type, then click on the I button and do watch my sunscreen haul video. You will get a lot of information from that. And always remember to apply sunscreen as the last step of your morning skincare routine. No matter the weather. Even if it's cloudy, do not skip sunscreens. Now let us discuss night skincare routine. We will talk about its purpose and we will focus on some key ingredients. Nighttime is when our skin shifts from protection to repair mode. While we sleep, our body increases blood flow to the skin, rebuilds collagen and repair damage from the day. So, our nighttime skincare routine should be richer, more focused on nourishment and active ingredients. So in the night time, our focus should be cleansing. Double cleansing if in case you are wearing heavy makeup all day long. Treating, moisturizing and repairing. Now let us talk about some key ingredients for the night time. We will start with the most important nighttime skincare ingredient, retinol, the holy grail of anti-aging. Retinol helps boost cell turnover. It reduces fine line and fade pigmentation. But they can make your skin more sensitive to sun. So only use it at the night time. Next we will talk about AHAs and BHAs like glycolic acid and salicylic acids. AHAs and BHAs are exfoliating acids that help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores and smoothen the skin texture. But these can make our skin a little sensitive, so only use it at the night time. And if in case you are using it in the morning, then please do follow up with a heavy moisturizer and a heavy sunscreen. Next is peptides, which help in collagen production, skin firmness and skin repair. Great for nighttime skincare routine as our skin regenerates. Last but not the least, ceramides and fatty acids. These ingredients strengthen our skin barrier and locks in moisture. Our skin loses its moisture overnight, so deep hydration is the key to glowing and plump skin every morning. Let us clear up some common mistakes that most people make. First is using retinol in the morning. Not only does it make our skin more sensitive to the sun, but the sunlight also deactivates retinol, so it's pretty useless. Second is skipping sunscreen because it's cloudy. No. UV rays penetrate through the clouds and the windows even when we are sitting indoors. So it's a non-negotiable step. We cannot skip sunscreens ever. Next is overusing exfoliants. So more is not always better. Over-exfoliation can damage our natural skin barrier and strip away its moisture, leading to skin irritation, redness and breakouts. The last common mistake that a lot of people do is neglecting nighttime skincare routine. Well, our skin works very hard at night. Skipping nighttime skincare routine is just like not resting after a heavy and intense workout session. We need to rest, repair and rejuvenate. Morning and night skincare routine are not interchangeable. They are tailored as per your skin's needs and rhythm. Start listening to your skin and build your own skincare routine that supports your skin type, both day and night. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to support me and my content. Also, do connect with me on my other social media handles. Do comment below and let me know, are you team morning or team night when it comes to skincare routines? Also, let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next on my channel. So, until next time, bye bye gorgeous people.